Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create stunning movie posters for free using AI. Let's get started. First, let's open up Chrome. Next, head over to photor.com. Once you're on the website, click on Text to Image to begin creating your poster. Now, here's where you can get creative. Enter the text you want to appear on your movie post. Metropolis Shadows Superman movie poster. Design a visually stunning movie poster for Metropolis Shadows, the latest Superman film. Maintain a cohesive style with the original poster, using a bold C5 style font for the title. Showcase Superman in a powerful pose with the cityscape reflecting the urban grit. Integrate the iconic as shield in a visually impactful manner. Adhere to a color scheme of blue and red for intensity, capturing the essence of mystery and impending challenges. Include a tagline, reveal the hero within, for added anticipation. Choose a style that fits the theme of your movie. There are plenty of options to choose from. Now, let's let the AI do its magic. Click on Generate to create your poster. Give it a minute to generate your poster. It won't take long. Once it's done, simply click on Download to save your poster to your computer. And there you have it. You've just created a fantastic movie poster for free using AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy movie making!